k0rdent Virtualization also lets you quickly take VM snapshots. Go to the Actions menu and click the camera icon to create a snapshot. Now you can go to the VM Snapshots page and you will see the snapshot you just created. Now let's go back to the Virtual Machines page and delete our VM. First, I need to power it off by clicking the plug icon, and then I click to delete it. When we refresh, you can see it's no longer listed. In the VM Snapshots tab, we can go to our recently created snapshot and click Restore. Navigating back to the VM tab, we can hit refresh in just a couple of minutes to confirm that our VM has restarted. Okay, we can see that the VM has been restored, but the red icon shows it's in the stopped state. So let's click the plug icon and power it on. Back in the terminal, we can see that the VM has the container creating status, and after just a few seconds, it will be running.